I'm excited for my deep dive workshop in November. The topic is healing the mother-daughter wounds. I struggled with those issues with my mother for most of my life, and I am profoundly grateful to have healed those issues. I am profoundly grateful for the healing that I've participated in with so many women I've counseled over the years. These mother-daughter issues affect the whole family. I've counseled men about the mother-daughter issues because it seems like it's beyond them, but it really affects them. So this workshop really is for men and for women, for anyone who is struggling, witnessing mother-daughter issues. They go deep, and when we have difficulties in these primal relationships, these primary relationships, it just tears our heart out, and it leaves us feeling just tremendous despair, depression. It's so searingly painful. At least it was for me, and I've seen that for so many women. It doesn't have to be that way. We can heal these issues. I'm not going to promise you that you'll heal everything in a workshop. That would be ridiculous. But you can get real headway in this workshop and get real clarity about what is yours to do in relationship to this. So please, if this is your issue, come join me in my deep dive workshop in November, Healing the Mother-Daughter Wounds. And we will do this work together joyfully. I promise you.